Oh, okay, I hear you loud and clear. You guys have been screaming for this one. So you want this, huh? We're diving straight in, and I promise. Even if you've never touched an editing app in your entire life, this is gonna be easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Alright, cookies, here are the apps you need. First stop, Pinterest, or as I call it, the aesthetic heaven. Search for Jungkook as Egyptian. Find a pic you like? Go ahead and download it. But hot tip, don't use it directly. Copyright and stealing other people's work is not cute, okay? Instead, we're gonna be clever. Slide into ChatGPT, upload the pic, and ask for a prompt that'll help recreate something exactly like it. Now I know what you're thinking.
Why not just let ChatGPT create the image too?
Well, because it's a good, rule-following angel and won't create celebrity pics. So noble. Here's our sneaky smart workaround. Copy that prompt, run over to Meta AI on WhatsApp, paste it in, and tweak the prompt a little, so it gives you a version with our King John Jungkook front and center. Meta might act up at first and spit out some questionable stuff. Just keep massaging that prompt until the AI finally gets it. Got your perfect pic? Save it. We're moving on to the next level. Okay, so the next app you'll need is CapCut. If you can't find it in your country, just turn on a good VPN. Search for Download CapCut on Google, go to the website, and install it. Easy peasy. Alright, now do a Google search again for CapCut Egypt template. Yep, literally type that in. Visit the website, find the template you like, click Use Template, let it open in CapCut, and then once more, tap Use Template inside the app. Pick your photos, tweak and edit them however you want, zhuzh it up a bit, and when you're happy with it, just hit Save without watermark. Oh, and don't stress if you don't have TikTok. It'll save straight to your gallery. Boom. Done. Now, are you ready for some spicy content? Let's talk about ship edits. So if you naively ask Meta AI for Jungkook and RM in one frame, it's gonna glitch and throw you AI nightmares. But here's our secret weapon. Just, modify the prompt with a key phrase. Jungkook is looking at his friend. Meta suddenly gets poetic and gives you a side-glancing JK. Do the same for Kim Namjoon, and just keep tweaking and bothering the bot with the same prompt till it listens and gives you your desired pic. Save those babies, then open PicsArt. Import both images and work your magic to blend them together. Doesn't have to be Picasso level perfect. This is just your background image, which honestly, it'll be transparent anyway. Now back to CapCut. Here's your order of clips. First, solo Jungkook pic. Second, the Namkook masterpiece. Third, solo Namjoon pic. And fourth, the Namkook edit again. Adjust and edit them, and when you're happy, save the edit. And just like that, you're done. Now I know these tutorial videos aren't as spicy as what I post on my IG. Blame the AI's mood swings, honestly. But hey, this is just a tutorial. The real glow-up happens when you keep practicing that AI prompting magic. If this helped even a little bit, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and make me a happy little editor. When you post your creations, tag me. I want to hype you up in the comments like the proud editing fairy godmother I am. Got questions? Drop them in the comments section. I always reply. Until next time, love. See you in the next video.